This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22HE Booth Dinette, queen bed, rear bath as a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, self-contained, air conditioning, skylight, TV, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22HE Booth Dinette, queen bed, rear bath is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a GM engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.